To know how much time you spend daily to use a specific app in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, go to app screen. Find the desired app you like to know its screen time. To find it quickly, tap the search and then type the app name. Now long tap the app icon and then select app info. Tap screen time. By default, you are in a daily tab and your phone will show you your today screen time. Here, if needed, you can tap the arrow icon next to today to see the screen time of the app in the previous day. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.